I can tell you, Clutter Clarity is powered by Mr. Floor. Mr. Floor cleaning products are all non-toxic and environmentally safe, and you can learn more at MrFloor.com.
As you were listening to Ron Cowgill and Robbie Earhart singing, did you automatically
turn it off?
Of Bradley Cooper and Lady Gaga?
I guarantee you no.
We are the best duet next to Bradley Cooper and Lady Gaga in A Star Is Born. I'm just saying.
Maybe not.
Love that movie. Love the song that's on the radio now. But all of a sudden, I was just like thinking about like, wow, Ron and Robbie.
Mm-hmm. Sure, yeah.
Awesome. Okay, what were you saying about all clean, all natural cleaning products?
Mr. Floor?
Mr. Floor, all natural cleaning products?
Yeah, all natural, non-toxic, environmentally safe. And you can learn more at MrFloor.com and also when they come in next hour.
Awesome. Well, I have... go ahead. What were you going to say?
I was going to say, unless you're talking hardwood or tile again.
I have an all-natural, environmentally friendly product right here. So I go to a lot of homes.
It's a banana?
Banana.
Yes, this is a banana.
A banana.
This is a banana. It's not a banana. You go to a lot of homes and they have Glade and they have Lysol and they have a million kinds of stinky sprays that they spray around their house. The scent of Christmas, the scent of summer, the scent of spring rain, the scent of mountain air. And all those are chemicals that you're spraying into the air. Well, there's even some products that are more environmentally friendly. And I was kind of looking at one the other day, and all the ingredient was water and essential oils or natural stuff. So I said, well, what the heck? Why can't I just make my own?
Oh, you're going to squirt me with this crap?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah, and I did talk about this.
I'm glad I'm not in the studio today.
I did talk about this maybe about 2 years ago. So I bought this little can, which you can buy at just about any drugstore. You can get this little spray thing. But this was kind of a prettier metal one that I did get like at Whole Foods.
Uh-huh.
And
it's
then
a stainless steel one.
It's a stainless steel one. And you could decorate it with your little ribbon, and you could change it for the holidays, and you could do anything you want with this. And you just put water in here, and then your choice of essential oil drops, which now you can get it. You can get just about like any grocery store will usually sell a lavender, which is good
stinky stuff
to help you sleep. So you put a couple drops of lavender and shake it before you use it.
Okay.
Because water and oil, you have to shake them to combine them.
Okay.
So lavender is good for sleeping. You could use peppermint, like in a bathroom. Maybe you could use eucalyptus. You could do a combination of different sprays. So.
Yeah. Get away!
Robbie's chasing Ron around the studio trying to spray him with this stuff.
But what's the stuff? Oh, fresh meat. Oh, Randall, come in here.
You got it in a stainless steel atomizer.
Randall's coming in right now.
What is the oil you put in there?
This is peppermint oil.
Peppermint.
Oh.
Actually,
so you probably end up attracting Santa.
I know, yeah.
So use this.
And now the floor's all sticky.
It's not all sticky. It was a very, very light
oil.
spray.
It's slippery.
Oh, yeah. It's slippery now.
Couple drops of oil in this thing. So you use something like this. It smells good, doesn't it?
Actually, that's not bad. That's not bad. I thought you were going to squirt me with something else.
Because all it is
smelling nasty.
Pure peppermint.
Pure peppermint.
Pure peppermint oil.
Okay.
So there's nothing artificial. It's not like artificially scented peppermint oil. It's not you can get pine. Oh, pine is good. So around the holidays, when you want to spray the fake air freshener all around, pine scented, water.
Yeah.
And some people use distilled water. This is just regular water.
Right out of the tap?
Right out of the tap.
You can do that? You can mix regular water?
You can.
You didn't have to buy it in a bottle?
I didn't buy it in a bottle. All I bought was, and I have the aromatherapy oils anyway, because in the winter it's really good to make, so you put a cup of water.
Keep the dog calm or something from running around the house? No.
But you take a cup. I brought this in for you before when you were sick. You heat up, you boil a cup of water in the microwave, and then you put some drops of peppermint, eucalyptus, and tea tree.
Yeah.
And it really clears out your sinuses. Remember I brought that in for you before?
Do you drink it?
No, to inhale it.
I could have said goodbye.
You
said what I wanted to.
Oh.
There you go, Robbie. That's what you asked for it.
Oh, that's beautiful. Now I have. Thank you very much. Anyway, there are other options if you want more information on doing this.
Uh-huh.
All right, but this is a sad song. When you come back, can we do the Bradley Cooper and Lady Gaga one? This one's too sad.